This third video of our Foundations of Google Docs highlights the sharing and collaboration aspect of Docs. Using a cloud-based platform allows multiple users to work on a document together in real time. The user who creates a document is considered the owner. The owner then shares the document with others and gives the other users rights to the document. There are three different modes that the owner can set the document for other users. Editing mode allows you and anyone who has editing rights to make any changes to the document directly. Right now my screen is set to editing mode. I have full access to all the tools and can make any and all changes to the document. Suggestion mode. Anyone who has suggestion mode rights to the document can suggest edits or changes to the documents. When I set my screen to suggestion mode, it will appear similar to editing mode. However, whenever I type something into the document, it will be inputted into the document as a suggestion instead. It is indicated with these lines above and below the change. The owner can now either accept the change or decline it. In view-only mode, when you give someone view-only rights to the document, they will be able to view the document, but will not be able to make any changes to the document at all. When I set my screen to view-only mode, you will notice that all the editing tools disappear and I am unable to make any changes to the document. Those are the different rights the owner can give another user. So now we are going to look at sharing the document with other users. To the top right of the document, there's a blue share button. Click that button and a box will appear. This is where the owner will type in the other users with whom they want to collaborate. To the right of the box is a small drop-down menu to select the rights that the person will have within the document: editing, suggestion, or view only. I am going to share this document with my brother to show what it looks like when it's shared. I am going to give him editing rights so he can make changes to the document. Then I will click Send. Notice now on the Share button there is an icon of a figure that indicates this document is shared with another person. When two or more users are working on a document at the same time, each user will be distinguished by a different color. Right now, my color is normal, but my brother's color is pink. My brother has opened the document and I can see his picture up on top. I can see in real time that he is typing in this document. In the next video, we will explore commenting and replying on documents.